Hello there, my name is Gaming. I'll be teaching HTML and CSS, rather learning by teaching, because I don't know anything about it. So there's your disclaimer before you watch the video. But I have Copilot open, and Copilot gives you concepts, tells you about functions, and I'm currently going through the sections of the tutorial that I have set up where it explains like on five. And so far, this is what we have. This is our header. Here's our image. Here's our paragraph in green. Here's our list, button, form right here. Here's our table. Here's our link to another site. Here's our footer. This is all constructed with some basic HTML, CSS. Background color light blue. You got header one, color dark blue. Our paragraph color is green. Our unordered list style is square. That's these right here. There's a button, form. There's our input, which I think is, I'm not sure. Here's our table. CSS. PD, TH. Order. And here's the code for everything from top to bottom. So here's our header one. Here's our image. Here's our paragraph. Unordered list. List. Our button. Our form. Our table. This thing. Our link. Order. There's not much to say other than you have your doc type HTML, HTML head, title, styles, head, body. There's not much to really tell other than you can automatically generate this by a command on the keyboard within CS code. VS code. What is it called? Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code has a command that you can press that'll generate the entirety of the HTML automatically. I don't know how to do that. I'll have to look that up in the next episode. This is episode 1 of trying to teach CSS and HTML. And I think I'll just cut it off right there. That's our first episode of learning HTML and CSS, learning by teaching. Yeah, that's it for now, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.